Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 BMW X5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, heated front and rear seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.